stop paying for AI video tools. Because right now, there are 3 completely free AI video generators that can create videos like this. Cinematic battle scenes, animated horror stories, and even full YouTube automation channels. And almost nobody is talking about them yet. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 3 best free AI video generators available right now, how each one works, and which one you should actually use depending on the type of videos you want to create. And tool number 3 is honestly the one that surprised me the most, because it's not just an AI video generator, it's basically an entire AI content creation studio. Welcome back to AIpreneur, the channel where we turn AI tools into real income. Today, we're looking at 3 powerful AI video generators that are completely free. Each one does something different. One is perfect for cinematic AI clips. One is ideal for automation channels. And the last one is an all-in-one AI content machine. Stay until the end, because I'll also give you a quick comparison, so you know exactly which one to use and when. Let's start with a tool that honestly shocked me the most. It's called Arena AI. And what makes it special is this. Instead of using one AI model, Arena gives you a trial to 33 different video generation models in one place. We're talking Kling, Veo, Sora-style models, Grok, and more, all inside a single interface. And yes, it's free. Here is how it works. Go to Google and search for arena.ai. You might have known it before as LMM Arena, but it has been rebranded and upgraded. Sign in with your Gmail, and you are in. The dashboard is clean and simple. You will see options for web search, image generation, app building, and video generation. Click on video generation. Now, all you have to do is type a prompt, something like a knight riding through a dark forest, and hit enter. Arena generates 2 versions of your video simultaneously, using different AI models. And yes, they come with audio and cinematic sound effects. But before we go further, I want to be honest with you about the limitations of this tool, because a lot of videos online make it sound like you can generate full movies instantly, which is not really the case yet. First, the videos generated are usually very short clips, often just a few seconds long. So you can't generate a full YouTube video in one click. The solution is simple though. Creators usually generate multiple short clips and combine them in a video editor. Think of each generation as one scene of your story, and then you stitch everything together. There is also a daily generation limit on the free plan. Once you reach the limit, Arena will ask you to come back in about 24 hours. So the best prepare your prompts first before generating videos, so you don't waste strategy, is to generations experimenting. Another smart trick is to combine it with tools like ChatGPT, AI voice generators, AI image generators, and a video editor. It becomes a powerful workflow for creating AI content. That way, you can create longer videos while using fewer AI generations. Here's the workflow. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a suspense story inspired by Sherlock Holmes or classic detective tales. Then ask it to generate scene prompts and animation prompts for each part of the story. Something like dark Victorian alley, fog, detective silhouette, cinematic lighting. Copy the prompts, then paste those prompts into Arena. Arena generates each scene. For voiceover, you can use Gemini text-to-speech, which is completely free and sounds incredibly realistic. Then assemble everything in your editor. Arena adds a small watermark at the very end of each clip, but you can simply trim it off. And just like that, you have a fully generated AI story video.
Fog. The streets were quiet, but the night was watching. Detective Adrian Hale stood alone in the mist. A man...
But Arena is just the beginning, because the next tool works completely differently. The second tool is where things get really interesting. And if Arena is great for generating videos, GenTube is great for scenes generations. It works like Google Whisk, but honestly, it goes further. So head over to Google and search GenTube. Sign in with Google, and you are in instantly. The interface is minimal and clean. And what makes it unique is real-time generation. Most AI tools make you press a button and wait. GenTube works differently. As you type, the image updates instantly. Want to add a bear to a snowy landscape? Just say so. It updates on the fly. You can also remix trending images directly from the platform. Click Create More and apply Customize, like lighting or layout, change mood, add characters and poses, all with one click, and 0 watermarks. Here's a niche that works perfectly with GenTube: bedtime story channels. These channels are exploding right now. People go to bed every single night, hit play, and fall asleep to calm narration with soft fairy tale visuals. Here's how to build it. Go to GenSpark, a free AI agent that writes cleaner, more consistent scripts than ChatGPT, and generate a full 1-hour bedtime story script. Then, use Gemini text-to-speech with style instructions set to calm, soothing, storytelling voice. Generate your visuals in GenTube using a fantasy storybook illustration style. Assemble in your editor, add royalty-free ambient music from YouTube's music library, and export.
Rain didn't fall in Larkhaven anymore. It arrived. It came in slow.
This is a gold mine, and it is completely free to build. Now let's move to the third tool, where things get really interesting. Because it's not just a generator, it's more like a complete AI creative studio. The platform is called Quen AI, and once you see what it can do, you will wonder why you were ever paying for anything else. So click the link in the description to open Quen AI. If it opens in Chinese, just switch the language to English in the settings. Now for image generation, make sure you select the Quen 3.5 Plus model. This model has advanced reasoning and produces incredibly detailed, realistic images. Choose your aspect ratio, write your prompt, and hit generate. The results are sharp, natural, and distortion-free. We're talking about realistic skin textures, natural lighting, and no AI weirdness. But here's what sets Quen apart from everything else. It combines image generation, video generation, image editing, and deep AI research all in one place. It can edit images too. Upload a photo, upload a second image with a different outfit or element, write a prompt saying, replace the outfit with this one, and it does it perfectly. Same character, same lighting, same environment. This is huge for product sellers, ad creators, and anyone running visual content channels. Quen also supports text to video and image to video. The clips are about 5 seconds long and include natural ambient sound. The camera movement, lighting, and motion are surprisingly cinematic for a free tool. And if the result isn't perfect, you can regenerate instantly. And the best part, Quen AI has one more feature I have to show you. It is called deep research. You give it a task like, find me 5 AI-powered businesses. I can start with 0 budget, and it goes out, visits multiple sources, compiles the data, and hands you back a full PDF report. Business ideas, tools required, how to start, and how to make money. All researched and formatted for you automatically. This is next level for anyone building an AI business from scratch. So here's the quick breakdown. Use Arena AI when you want high-quality short-form video clips, especially for cinematic or horror story channels. It has 33 models and generates 2 videos at once. Use GenTube when you need fast, unlimited image creation for long-form content like bedtime stories or ambient channels, and you want 0 watermarks with real-time editing. And lastly, use Quen AI when you want an all-in-one powerhouse: images, videos, image editing, and deep research, especially if you're building out a full business strategy, not just a channel. Don't just watch, actually try one of these today. Pick the tool that fits your niche and generate your very first AI video. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you are going to test first: Arena, GenTube, or Quen. I read every single comment, and I will personally help anyone who is stuck. And if you want more free AI tools that can automate content creation, subscribe and hit the bell. Because every week, I test dozens of AI tools, and I only share the ones that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.